How to fix Google Chrome. Here's how to fix your Google Chrome browser. 1. Change the default theme. Go to Chrome/settings and click Appearance. At the top right, click More and then Settings. Under Appearance, click Reset to Default. If above option did not work, try disabling or removing installed extensions and scanning your system for potential adware or malware. 2. Get some extensions. Typeo Form Recovery, merge all Windows, AdBlock Plus, Google Drive, Calendar and Mail, as well as Amazon, Evernote, and Pinterest. 3. Remove unwanted programs by launching the Clean Up Computer option and running the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Press the up arrow or the spacebar key. 5. Go to Chrome//flags, and look for smooth scrolling and fast tab/window close. Change the two options, if available, to enabled. 6. Keep your Chrome updated. 7. Go to Google Chrome Help Forum at http://bit.ly/2suoht for more assistance.